Significant investments in research and development are propelling Spirit to greater industry leadership.
In R&D, our clear goal is to become the technologically distinctive Tier 1 leader in the industry. Part of us realizing our vision is to focus on our key distinctive capability areas. This includes performance architectures, rapid cycle product definition tools, materials optimizations, ultra-competitive composites, lean metallic structures, as well as competitive tooling solutions and being able to achieve accelerated learning curves. Spirit is really good at developing products and developing the build processes that are required to go with those products. Our manufacturing technology development work in R&D has led to several key wins, not only in commercial but also in defense.
Follow Spirit for the latest aerospace innovations.